Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of that jet engine roar from your blender every morning? Do you have to pause your conversations, wake up the entire house, or just brace yourself for the noise every time you want to make a simple smoothie? Well, today I am putting an end to the noise pollution in your kitchen. I am going to count down 6 quietest and most powerful blender you can get, so stay with me till the end. 6. Cranddi Quiet Commercial Blender. Now, when you first look at this blender, it definitely looks the part of a quiet machine. It comes with a large, thick, soundproof shield that fits over the entire pitcher, which is a feature you often see in commercial smoothie shops. The promise is simple: enclose the noise and enjoy a more peaceful blending experience. And, to be fair, when you turn it on, it is noticeably quieter than a standard unenclosed blender, especially on lower settings. The Cranddi boasts a powerful 2200 watt motor, which is impressive for a blender in this category. When I put it to the test with frozen fruits, ice, and fibrous greens like kale, it had no trouble pulverizing them into a smooth consistency. It features a simple-to-use control panel with variable speed controls and a pulse function, giving you a good amount of command over your blends. The 80-ounce jar is also a huge plus for anyone making large batches for the family or for meal prep. For basic smoothies and protein shakes, this machine certainly has the muscle to get the job done. However, after using it for a while, a few things started to stand out. While the sound shield does dampen the noise, it doesn't eliminate it completely, especially when you crank it up to the highest speeds to really break down tough ingredients. The high-pitched whine of the motor can still cut through, and I found it wasn't as whisper quiet as the commercial quiet name might suggest. 5. WantJoin Professional Commercial Blender. Much like the Cranddi, the WantJoin utilizes a large sound enclosure to muffle the operational noise. It's a design that immediately signals a focus on quietness, and it shares that commercial smoothie bar aesthetic. It packs a powerful motor and a large capacity pitcher, ticking the boxes for anyone who needs to blend for a crowd or handle tough ingredients on a daily basis. When I first started using the WantJoin, I was impressed by its blending capability. It churned through ice for snow cones and frozen strawberries for smoothies with relative ease. The controls are straightforward, typically featuring a dial for variable speeds and a pulse switch, which gives you that hands-on control needed for different textures. The pitcher is capacious, easily holding enough for several servings. For pure blending performance, it's a solid machine that can handle most kitchen tasks you throw at it, from hot soups to frozen desserts. However, the reason it sits at number 5 is that its quiet feature is like a bit of a half measure. Yes, the shield reduces the noise compared to an open blender, but the noise that remains is still significant. At its highest setting, the motor is loud enough that you'd still need to raise your voice to have a conversation next to it. It seems to cut down on the harsh, sharp sounds of ice being crushed, but the underlying motor drone is very much present. 4. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. Now we're moving into some serious contenders. Ninja has a massive reputation in the blender world for power, and this model is no exception. What surprised me and why it earns a spot on this list is that for all its power, it manages to operate without being offensively loud. It doesn't have a large sound shield, but its engineering seems to focus on a more solid construction that inherently dampens some of the vibrational and motor noise. The first thing you notice about the Ninja is its sheer power. With 1400 peak watts, this thing is a beast. I threw whole frozen bananas, ice cubes, and handfuls of nuts at it, and I didn't hesitate for a second. The total crushing blades are incredibly sharp and effective, turning ice into snow in literal seconds. This is the kind of performance that gives you perfectly smooth, grit-free green smoothies every single time. It's not just about brute force, though. The Auto IQ technology is a game changer. With presets for smoothies, ice cream, and ice crushing, you can press a button, walk away, and the blender runs a unique program of pulsing and pausing to get the perfect consistency.
The 72-ounce total crushing texture is another highlight. It's large, sturdy, and well-designed. I particularly like the locking lid mechanism, which feels secure and gives you confidence that there won't be any kitchen disasters even when blending at high speeds.
3. BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush Digital Blender. This blender stands out because it was clearly designed with noise reduction in mind from the ground up, using what the company calls quiet crush technology. Instead of just enclosing the noise, it aims to create less noise in the first place through smart design of the motor and jar. And my testing found that it really works. The moment you turn on the PowerCrush, you notice the difference. The sound is significantly more muted than on standard blenders in its power class. It's not silent, but it's a blender you can comfortably use while someone else is in the kitchen without having to shout. I made morning smoothies while my family was still asleep in the next room and no one stirred. This is achieved through a combination of a well-insulated motor base and a jar shape that promotes efficient blending, meaning it doesn't have to work as hard or as loudly to get the job done. Despite being quieter, it doesn't skimp on performance. The 900-watt motor is more than capable of handling daily blending tasks. I tested it with icy margarita mixes and thick smoothie bowls, and the 4-tip Quad Pro blade technology created a powerful vortex that pulled ingredients down, ensuring everything was uniformly blended. It has 3 speeds and a pulse function, plus 2 pre-programmed digital controls for smoothies and icy drinks, which makes it incredibly user-friendly. 2. Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender. This machine is the real deal and represents a masterclass in combining high-performance blending with genuine noise suppression. It takes the concept of the sound shield we saw in the lower-ranked models and executes it to near perfection, creating an environment where you can blend it any time of day without a second thought. The key feature is, of course, the 2-piece quiet shield. It's robust, fits snugly over the 32-ounce jar, and dramatically reduces noise. You can literally have a conversation at a normal volume right next to this blender while it's crushing ice at full tilt. The shield is also removable, so you can use it as a standard blender if counter height is an issue or you simply don't need the quiet feature. I found this versatility to be a major plus. When I tested it side by side with other blenders, the difference was night and day. This is the blender for early risers, parents of napping children, or anyone who simply values peace and quiet. But this blender is so much more than just quiet. It's a professional-grade machine with a 1500-watt motor and hardened stainless steel blades that spin at up to 105 miles per hour, pulverizing anything you put in its path. From silky smooth nut butters to velvety green smoothies and hot soups, the texture it produces is flawless. Number 1. Tribest Dynapro Commercial Antioxidation Vacuum Blender. And here it is, the number 1 quietest, most feature-packed, and best-performing blender I have ever tested, the Tribest Dynapro Commercial Antioxidation Vacuum Blender. This machine is in a league of its own. It not only addresses the issue of noise with incredible effectiveness, but also introduces vacuum technology that fundamentally changes the quality of your blends. It is, without a doubt, the pinnacle of modern blender technology. Let's start with the sound. Like our number 2 pick, the Dynapro comes with an insulated quiet shield. However, Tribest's engineering takes it a step further. The combination of the heavy-duty housing, the snug-fitting sound enclosure, and the incredibly well-balanced motor makes this the quietest high-speed blender I have used. The noise is a low, unobtrusive whir that is astonishingly quiet for a machine with a 2.5 horsepower motor. It's a blender that truly respects the tranquility of your home. But the real magic is the vacuum technology. Before blending, a vacuum pump attachment removes the air from the 64-ounce container. Why does this matter? By removing oxygen, you prevent the oxidation of your ingredients. This means your smoothies and juices will have a brighter color, a smoother, less frothy texture, and, most importantly, will retain significantly more nutrients.
I did a side-by-side test making a green smoothie in the Dynapro under vacuum and in a regular high-speed blender.